Gold yesterday created a bearish candle. It is still a bearish momentum after the price has formed a bearish breakout here with this bearish candle. And yesterday we can see the price finally made a bearish breakout below this area of support, a small one around 3232, which I have mentioned in the daily analysis. The price could not manage to return back up, reaching the resistance level, which was expected from my side at least, because I also had this bullish breakout here on the 4-hour time frame, expecting that it will reach again this area, but the price has successfully only reached this area here, and from there the price returned back down. We can see that the several 4-hour candles were pretty small one and then a strong one that has pushed the price below this area of support on the daily time frame 3200. We can see yesterday it was a bearish candle formed here, and it has reached the daily support, and currently the price is heading even further down to 3135.61. Let's see yesterday the price has formed this bearish breakout here around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we can see again a small one. This was shared inside the premium analysis with the traders with the target here, and the price has reached this target, and which was successful premium analysis information. So feel free to check the link below in the description if you would like to join the premium analysis. Now after that the price returned back up after reaching the daily support. The daily resistance or support, whenever the price is reached, the price tends to retrace a little bit slightly, and in this case the price is returning back to the first resistance level 3185. We can see that in the last few hours the price formed again strong bearish candles indicating further decline in value, so I'm expecting that the price today will reach this area of support at daily 3135.61. This is a one hour support level that has been currently broken. The price is heading to the next one, 3145, and after that we have 3135, which is very close. On the 4-hour time frame we can see the price is forming a bearish candles. There is no one of these bullish candles, so the price is heading down, and it is currently forming a 4-hour bearish breakout. The daily time frame shows me that we are currently here making a bearish breakout below this area of support, where the price will tend to reach the next support 3135.61. So for today the goal is to reach 3135.61. This is the goal for the price, and I'm expecting that the price will touch this area of support, and from there we will see how much the price will retrace back up, or it will continue to lose its value going even further down. What I'm expecting that when the price reaches this area of support, there is potentially that the price will reach this area of support 3114, especially on the 1-hour time frame. Just a minute. Here it is, 3125 and 3113. So 3113 is the support level where the price could go down and then retrace back up, especially on the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. This could be a wick, like in this example, when the price goes even further below this area of support, like in this example, below this support, and reaches the next one, which is around this area here, around 3113. So this is the goal, what is expected today. If there is any kind of a bullish or bearish breakout on the 1-hour time frame or 4-hour time frame that is worth it to sharing, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders, and also all other symbols that are listed here. Feel free to check and join, and see you inside. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.